Hello everyone, welcome to my Strategic YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install the BCF tool for my analysis. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how did I made this mark duplicate BAM file by the GATK tool. Please check my previous video for the GATK analysis. In this video, I will do the two step, one installation of the VCF tool and two merge the BAM file by the Samtool. So first let's download the VCF. Go to Google and type VCF tools download, enter. So go to this link and download this file. So download is complete. Let's extract it. Extraction done. Let's open a terminal. So first you have to configure with this command. Let's copy. I'm making one note. Let's type this command. So first we have to make a path. So I am creating a directory for installation. BCF install, open the terminal and pwd. So it is the path. Let's copy it and write this path here. Let's copy this command and in the VCF tool directory let's paste this command to configure. Let's enter. So it is installing. Okay, so the next step is make enter. Okay, so the next is make install. Enter. So I guess installation is done. Let's clear it. So you can see the BCF tool in green color. Let's check it. So it is the usage of the BCF tool. So you also can export this path to use this tool throughout the system. So for that just paste it and go to your installation directory. Here is the bin, here is the BCF tool. Open terminal and just pwd, just copy this one and paste this path. So you have to export this path into the bash rc. So for that, go to the home, make sure you have enabled the show hidden file. So here is the bash rc. So just make another line and paste it here and save it, then close it. Now just open a terminal and check BCF and tab. So it is working now. So in variation analysis, I have 3 without ethanol replicates and 3 10% ethanol replicates. So first I have to merge this BAM file of ethanol treated sample and separately merge the ethanol untreated sample. Let's open the terminal. So check the list. To merge these 3 files, we have to make a script. Let's make a script here. This is Samtools Merge, and I'm going to use the thread of 3. And copying this 3 BAM file name, and giving the output file name -o. The output will be for AL for alcohol and without ethanol. Dot BAM. So this command will merge this 3 BAM file into this one BAM file. Make the same command for the second set of sample. So here is the 89, 90 and 91. Just 89, 90 and 91. Let's run the first command and enter. Okay, it is done. So let's do it for the second 3 sample. Just copy and paste and enter. Okay, I just did a mistake, so it is with ethanol sample, and let's enter. Okay, it is done. Let's check the file. So here you can see it is the BAM file of with ethanol sample, and this is without ethanol sample BAM file. In my next video, I'll demonstrate how to do mpilup to convert this BAM file into BCF file by the VCF tool, and how to convert this VCF file into the VCF readable file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.